Unlock 1.0, Tirumala formally opens. The Lord Venkateshwara Temple at Tirumala in Andhra Pradesh will be formally reopened on June 11th. However, the trial run was conducted today in the wake of Unlock 1.0 declared by the centre. Around 6,000 devotees apparently had darshan today. The temple, which was shut on March 20th due to the lockdown, is usually visited by about 80,000 devotees every day, while on festival it goes up to 90,000 or 1 lakh. But now it is restricted to just 7,000 devotees a day. Though the centre, with the consent of the state government, has decided to further relax restrictions under Unlock 1.0 and allowed worshipping places of all religions, including Tirumala, along with restaurants and malls, to keep open from June 8th, the TTD decided to encourage devotees from across the country from June 11th. But today, it allowed locals, and around 6,000 devotees are believed to have had darshan in today's trial run, according to TTD sources. This number is likely to go up by a couple hundred in the next few days. In the trial run, the TTD has ensured that devotees follow the COVID-19 norms as religiously as of the temple. This was in the wake of alarming spike in COVID-19 cases, as 9,000 plus positive cases for the past 3 days across the country. Today's trial run had seen around 6,000 devotees having darshan. TTD has decided to restrict online bookings per day to only 3,000 from June 11th and increase the number of devotees for darshan to 7,000 a day to begin with. Unlike in the past, the temple will also have restricted timings for darshan. That's from 6:30 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. According to TTD chairman Y.V. Subba Reddy, only 500 devotees were allowed into the temple per hour. The TTD staff had also ensured that devotees maintain physical distancing and wore masks. He said only 3,000 pilgrims will be allowed to climb the stairs from the Alipuri climbing point in Tirupati only after they get screened for COVID-19. All devotees entering the temple would also be screened with thermal scanners, and wearing a mask will be mandatory. He said random samples of pilgrims will also be taken for COVID-19 tests on a voluntary basis. First time, the TTD had introduced a zigzag pattern in queue lines using iron bars, which will ensure devotees stand away from each other. TTD has also made arrangements for sale of prasad or laddus. The temple receives revenue of rupees 6 to 7 crore per day from offerings and the sale of its famous laddus. Officials estimate that the TTD suffered revenue loss of close to rupees 600 crore due to the lockdown. This is MS Purti for Orange News 9 TV.